In case you want to skip ahead, here are the timestamps for the action. And first of all, does anyone else's aunt leave post-it notes on stuff throughout their house for you to fix? Adorable. Today's post-it note asked me to change the battery in her 2011 Rav4 Keyfob. Seems easy enough, but there is a trick to getting into the housing I found worth sharing. My understanding is that this should be the same for all 2008 to 2012 Rav4 models, but it could vary slightly. The first step in the process is to locate the little button on the side of the key fob that says push, and well, push and hold while you pull the internal key out. As you can tell here, when you push, it does kick one side out, which loosens the grip on the internal key, and you can easily slide it out. Right next to the keyhole is a little slot in the plastic. That slot is shaped exactly like the top of the internal key. Use your key to slide into the slot and twist. This will pull two pieces of plastic apart and allow you to get inside of your key fob. Set the part of the key fob with the rubber in it to the side, as the battery is located in the printed circuit board side. Touching the PCB is okay, but try to avoid touching anywhere but the sides. Now press the plastic clips holding the PCB and it should come right out. Now that we found the battery compartment, we need to remove the battery. I did try to use the key to pry that loose. I think if I went to the top right edge, I would have been able to make it happen, and that would have prevented you from having to use additional tools, but I did not. I did try to get it out with my fingernail, couldn't do that, so I did get a knife to help pry it out. And I will show here two different ways to pry it out. I went from the bottom here, and then I'll go from the top here. Now with the battery removed, we'll take our new battery, which is a CR1632 out of the package. I'll throw an Amazon link down in the description. I have noticed that Amazon is a little bit cheaper than, say, like a Walmart. Alright, we just popped in the battery. The only key there is to make sure that the plus is facing up. Next, we'll put everything back together. The PCB goes back in on this side, and as you can tell, the battery will line up with the circle that is on that side of the case, and then we'll just snap these two pieces back together. And then we'll put the key back in, and we are done. If this video helped out, please hit the like button down below and think about subscribing. See you on the next one.